Today I built the emergency light that I'm using. The solar street light module is a 3.7 volt, more or less it's 10 watt to 15 watt. So this module have input PV voltage input here and the battery voltage, and it's come with remote. So if you want to make it the emergency light, if brownout has happened, your light automatically on. So this you can use, this module you can use indoor also as a emergency light. So what do you need? You need only one mobile phone charger and this module and some lithium ion batteries. Just connect the battery to the light module, and then you need a one USB type C port charging. So like this one I on. So the light right now is on, and here is the charger, mobile phone charger. So this right now connected to the power, and here when I put this one, you see the light get off and it start charging. So this mobile phone charger is act as a solar panel. So when there is a no power, for example when the power is off, the light will automatically on. When power back, the light will automatically off. So that you can make your DIY simple, very bright emergency light. Only one thing is very important about that modules, that make a very heat. So you need something, the plain steel or aluminum is much better. So the more bigger you have, so much better heat dissipation, so it will work very well. So you can use the remote control, or you can just manually, it can be manually off also to using the remote, and it's get off, and you can on and off using the remote control also. So here is it on, and it's very bright, perfect. This is our emergency and portable light using the lithium ion cell. Very simple to build this one. Useful module, you can make it one. Simple, off with remote. And don't forget to use the BMS if you are using any kind of LiFePO4 or lithium ion cell, so must use the BMS. And this is very important to insulate this one with the silicon, this IC and that transistor. So even if have dust or moist, so no problem. This is the dust or moist cannot damage that part. The diodes no problem, just I cover the pins, so this will save from the moisture, from the dust and from the rest. Perfect.